Hi there, I'm Kostas, and if you're tired of slow, unstable hosting, you're in the right place. I've been working with WordPress servers and hosting for over 20 years, managing real projects and real businesses. In this gig, I'll set up and fully manage your cloud VPS server from scratch. Okay, optimized for speed, security, and stability. Um, Everything is configured for you. Your web server, SSL, email, backups, caching, and monitoring, all done properly. Okay. As you can see here, it's the CW 7 Pro panel. It's the one that I'm mostly working. That's one of the best panels, and I really recommend. And I prepare everything and manage it for you. No technical knowledge needed, no headaches. Okay, send me a message before ordering, and I'll help you choose the best setup for your needs.